Yo guys, what's up? I'm here in Think or Swim. I do have an option that is expiring today, not Blackberry, that's in a couple weeks, but Fubo. It's deep in the money. So I want to see if I can roll this out another week. Oh, yeah, it's pretty deep in the money, not much premium in there. Doesn't look good. Let's try going out another week. Okay, not really a lot of action. Let's try this again. Let's try rolling it out to May. May? Oh, there's no strike price at 36. Okay. Let's try diagonal. Let's go to 35. Probably because it's been so depressed. Stock is not out there anymore. So it looks like I can make a little bit and still be okay. Let's see if this goes through. It's diagonal, Fubo, limit, order, go. You can see the order was sent and it's working. Alright, let's see. It's already, market's already moved. So let's try this again. A little bit lower. And that order was filled. Hallelujah. So back to positions. So you can see Idex. I really do like that stock. I think since I'm here, I don't have a lot of stuff left in this account, but I feel confident. Idex. Ideonomics. So Biden's new plan, right? IDEX could severely benefit. So, not a lot of premium here. Let's look at the May. So, 60 cents on $3. Expected move plus or minus $1. Wow, that's outstanding. I'm going to sell. Now I'm going to sell a little bit. But it's only $3, right? And I'm risking 300 and I'm making 61. So I'm going to do 3. So I'll make $180 about, and I'm risking 900. Wow, you can't really beat that deal. Wow, if I had more money in this account, I would do more. Let me tell you. Alright, let's do it. See if it'll go through. Nope. Okay, let's try 61. Let's go 60. Ooh, it's not much room in there, is there? It's a pretty tight market. Alright, still no cigar. Alright, let's try again. Wow. Okay, I guess we've come to a place where the mid and natural are the same. Still pretty decent premium for $900 a risk. Wow. Let's go. Finally filled. Excellent. Alright guys. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.